Hey guys, it's Lori Crawford with Mix 94.1 with another great life hack slash does it work. Today we're going to try some homemade mosquito repellent because, you know, really, who likes stuff filled with a bunch of chemicals? So here's what you're going to need. You need a spray bottle. You need a bottle of lavender essential oil. Now I found this at Natural Grocers, so they have that and it's really reasonable priced. You're going to need some lemon juice, some homemade, not homemade vanilla, but you could use your homemade vanilla if you checked out that video. And then of course, some water. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice and you're just, gonna pour it into your measuring cup, which I've already put it in there. You're gonna need about 15 drops of your lavender oil and just do that as well. 3 to 4 tablespoons of your vanilla. And then you're just going to top it off with water, whatever it takes to fill, the remainder of your jar. And then once you got all that, you just simply pour it into your bottle. Try not to spill it as you're doing it. Get it in there. Woo! And it squirts just like that. Shake it up, and there's your homemade mosquito repellent. Now keep it right here. Hey guys, we're gonna try out this homemade mosquito spray, and I've got some regular off as well. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna spray the regular off on my forearm on my left hand, and then I'm gonna spray our homemade mosquito spray on my right arm, and then I'm gonna mow my yard. And then from there, we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna do the same thing with my legs. So the right side is the homemade mosquito repellent. The left side is the off. Let's see which one works better.